for my street niggas. Lord, the devil is a liar, hella beam nigga. Pull the trigger, shoot me down, I'll resurrect nigga. When I come back for revenge, it's to your grave nigga.
Keep your head up to the sky. Keep your head up to the sky. Keep your head up to the sky. Keep your head up to the sky.
They show love, I see it, I feel pain. Got my drugs like fuck your shoulders, I'm a cold nigga. Sky stories from the streets that I ain't told niggas. I remember what being tased on my eyes, nigga. I kill niggas if I could. I left that shit back in the past, I'm sky fly above the roof. I let it burn, fuck the bridges that we built together. I'm like whatever, I don't need you, I ain't fucking with you. And I don't miss you, Keep my head up to the sky, see these dark clouds. My face flickers like a candle outside in the night. All the shit I lost before is plenty now I got. Honestly, I lost your love, but I still got your back.
Keep your head up to the sky. Keep your head up to the sky. Keep your head up to the sky. Keep your head up to the sky.
Niggas acting like they're really gangsters and they know I fuck this weird shit. I'ma follow it tragic we live. Why brag on the internet and you say you a G? Stop this bitch shit and come out in the streets for real. Natoka niko this shit got me deep in my face. Na then you mocking it to a block. Kibidi nipate na kiglock bro si force ni cock. I don't wanna see you dead before you get your mama out the block. I wanna see you dead before you get yourself a car. I wanna see you dead before you get yourself out the gutter. I wanna see you dead before you get out of the trenches. Keep your head up to the skies. The sky's the limit. Fuck this weird shit. Tell my nigga fight we live.
Keep your head up